is how to improve. So good evening everyone. So as said that today's topic is I think someone's mic is on.
Okay, continue.
So today's topic is how to improve your English, right sir?
Yes.
So there are many ways to improve your English. As a lower grade English speaker, if I say if you have to improve your English, then you have to first of all improve your body language. So first point is that improve your body language. If your body language is confident, then you can say a sentence in a proper manner, in a proper way, and in a proper pronunciation. So first of all, improve your body language. Whenever you are going in front of an interviewer, I said earlier also, then first he will notice your body language. He will neither notice your skills, neither notice your nor notice your vocabulary nor your pronunciation. First of all, you have to be confident in your body language. If you're confident in your body language, then you just won the heart of interviewer. Second of all, he will start asking questions. Then you have to answer the questions. Now answering the questions means if you have the knowledge, then you can answer the questions, right sir? If you don't have the knowledge, then you are not able to answer. You will just wrap it around something. You will try to fool the interviewer, which is not good. Try to be honest in front of the interviewer. Otherwise, you are already imparting a bad image on the interviewer, because they are the interviewers having a lot of experience. They have experience of 10 to 20 years, 30 years. They are doing their job, and they have uh, a lot of experience, because many candidates come to give SSB or come to give the interview in any company or job, not only about SSB in army. So first of all, try to be honest for your body language. Second point I would like to focus is your knowledge. Just improve your knowledge, because you are going there not just to show your face, not just to show your personality that I am this, my vocabulary is this. It doesn't matter, because if they are asking that, tell me what is the square of 14, it's a general example I'm giving. It is not a question of any interview, but I'm just giving an example. If they're asking that what is the value when we divide 22.7 by 17.7, whatever, then you should have the knowledge. Your mathematics should be so strong, so good that you can back of the mind, back of the head, you should have the answer. After, I can say, not instantly you can give the answer, but you should have answer after 1 minute or after 1.5 minutes. You should have the answer. So improve your knowledge up to that level, because after body language, the interviewer will see your knowledge. Third of all, your communication skill should be good. How you are communicating? Are you fumbling when you are speaking? Are you fumbling? Are you underconfident while speaking? Is your vocabulary not good? Are you not having proper words to say? So this is all about when you are going to communicate. You will not communicate in a proper way. The person will understand your language. The person will understand your perspective. What are you saying? What you want to say? He will understand in a proper manner. But your way of communicating should be like that you are talking to official, right sir? You should not be speaking like you are conversating or discussing in your home or in a with your friends. Your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your communication skill should be like that. You are talking to an official. So these 3 points I would like to focus. That is, first of all, is body language. Second is your knowledge, and third is your communication skills. So over to you, Ravin sir.
Okay.
Thank
Yeah,
so
Rishabh, you also mentioned very remarkable point. And yeah, Hema, you have any doubt? Means if you face any problems, so please you can ask any question with Sugar sir.
Sir, I just have only one question. Many times I am unable to understand that types of papers which was comes from bank and other official papers. That time I was completely understand that what is written in that paper. So how can I overcome?
So,
Yes, Sugar sir.
thank you for giving us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as for my opinion, if you are unable to understand whichever you are field are not getting, so that I would like to request you just involved in in that situation, in that scenario. So if you are involved in that scenario, definitely you will be able to achieve. Because just like I'm giving you example English. Before that you are suppose that you are English, you are learning. Before that you are unable to speak. So once you are joining within 2 months, 3 months, you just started to learning. You just started to talking. So that is how we can achieve. That is how we can able to understand any kind of language. It is not tough. It is not difficult. But we have to take right decision. We have to take dedication. If we take dedication, so definitely I'm sure you will be achieved because of whatever you want to convey. If you don't have dedication, if you don't have any intention, so I think you are unable to succeed. So that is my intention, that whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to want to find any atmosphere which is you are not getting, so just you have to confident, you have to gain on that field, so definitely you will achieve. So that is my point of view. And one more thing, you have to patient with whichever thing you are learning, whichever you are finding, it is not going to achieve within short period, within short time. It will take time. So if you want to achieve good thing, if you want to achieve good result, so you have to wait, you have to persistent whichever you feel going, so definitely you will achieve. That's it.
Okay, okay. Emma got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And I try this.
Okay.
Just,
Yeah.
I just we have to when you are speaking, when you are want to face in this kind of situation, so that you have to face. First of all, you have to more confident. Just never think I'm not able to speak. Even I used to face this kind of. Even I know. In spite of that, I was facing because of lack confidence, a lack of scare. So once you joined and once you started talking in each friend and associate and colleagues, so then I realized, yeah, I was facing because of unconfident. So now just realize. So then it started whenever I face any kind of issue. So I'm just be clear, frankly, because of I know. But where I was lacking, fearless, unconfident. So just I would like to say, just whenever you're facing, just you remove your fearness. Just come full confidence. Even you don't know any kind of, definitely if you're full confidence, so you can able to change. You can able to turn any kind of situation, any kind of task you will create because of your full confidence. So that means you will create any kind of situation, good thing. So that is my main.
Okay. Thank you, Suraj sir. You also mentioned very remarkable point. I think everybody they want to learn English language. So I think mostly Indian country. I think Indian people they native language. So I think initially time every person's they face same problem. And you also mentioned like firstly you take a time. Yeah, it is a very necessary thing. And second, you also mentioned like a patience. Patience, both are very important things. Yeah, really, Suraj sir. Thank you. Yeah, now
That is simple. That is a simple way. If you want to receive good result, if you want
yes.
to receive, if you want to good result, if you want to give big portion, so definitely you have to patient. So definitely you will achieve, because patience is more. Because you are getting, you are facing, you are giving patience, so definitely you will achieve.
Yeah, Pawan Bharadwaj, you have any doubts? So please you can ask any question with Ranjit sir as well as Suraj sir. Yeah, Pawan.
Yes, Ravin sir.
You have any doubts? So please you can also ask any type of question.
Yes. Myself, Pawan Sharma, and thank you, Ravin sir, give me for this chance. And my only one question only. Time not a good sentence, but a little bit problem is sentence is not in step by step, but something problem is agitation to talking about two people. So this type problem every time.
So I would like to
Suggest
say
me
something.
this situation.
So what I'm saying, Yeah,
Yes,
what I
yes,
have
sir.
observed from your side, so you are speaking well, you are, constructing good, but there is a, facing your how to, create, how to make a sentence. So that is simple way. Just whenever you free, you just create. If you are sitting at alone in room, just you find any kind of light, any kind of fan, any kind of, just make a sentence. So once you come habit, so automatically your Sunday will become. Just make it. When you're free, just start make any kind of sentence like present, future, and past continue, and past future. You can make it just simple. Once you do it around 10 to 15 days, so automatically will be habit. So just do like that. Just practice whenever you find a new thing. If you are going around a road, yeah, if you are sitting in job area, you find anything new, just make a sentence, whichever, sentence like past, future, whichever you can make it. So if you do this kind of practice, so definitely will be achieved. You will be able to phrase proper way sentence. So main thing is you have to focus till 10 days, 15 days, whichever you find new thing, just make a sentence, definitely will be clear. Which sentence you are facing like past or future, so also you can practice, so definitely will be achieved.
Okay. Yeah, Jitendra
Just do it.
Baghel. Jitendra Baghel, you have any question? So please, you can also ask. Yes, sir.
I think, sir, Suraj sir have a vast experience regarding the learning English, and whatever the answer he deliver about the queries, it is really fantastic. And
Thank you.
I have a problem regarding the body language. Whenever someone asking the question to me, and I didn't get how to I react with what kind of gesture. So Suraj sir, I would like to know about you that and how to use gesture, and what is the right way to using the gestures.
As I told you earlier that first of all you have to become more confident. Once you confident, so automatically you will be speak flawless. That's simple way. I used to face. So I told you as earlier, and I used to face. Even I know. In spite of that, I was facing. I was unable to speak. Someone asked any question, so I just start fearlessing. So whatever I want to convey, I was unable to convey because of fairness. So there is a one key to think. You have to full confidence. If you have confidence, so definitely whatever you want to convey, it definitely will be phrase proper way. So definitely there is only one way, just full confidence. You don't think in front of people is the expert, is the very influencer, if I am speaking so maybe wrong, could be wrong. So don't think, just think full confidence. Once you confident, definitely you will be speak. Once you confident, so just do
Yeah,
that
yeah,
and
definitely.
practice.
Yeah, definitely, Suraj sir. Whatever you say is actually, I would have to say
Thank you,
something
Suraj
about
sir.
regarding this.
Even I have observed people, if Indian people are able to speak around 50 to 60%, in spite of they are unable to speak because of fairness. So even around the world. So that's why I'm saying, just you have to gain confidence. Once you gain confidence, even you don't know, doesn't matter, just create another topic, just create another top point. If you have confidence, you can able to create. So if you do in that scenario, so definitely you will be overcome that situation.
Okay. Thank you very much, Suraj sir.
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, Nitya Sahu, you have any doubts? So please, you also can ask any question. Nitya Sahu.
Hello.
Yeah. You can ask any question. You have any doubt?
So, sir, I have a question that my I'm speak and many time that I can't actually I'm not fluent. This is a problem, and I have no mm, we can say confidence. I have low confidence actually. So how can I deal with this?
So if I say, I told you earlier that, so definitely you're just, first of all, you have confidence. And I couldn't catch your second questions. What was the second question?
Yes, sir.
Just you have to
Yeah.
confident proper way.
Second question,
Fluency, fluency,
he told about,
fluency.
he tell me about confidence and he want to fluency. Okay, so
Fluency.
that time they
Fluence, that is simple
Yeah.
way. That is simple way. Just if you want to fluence, so that you have to work hard. If you have to, whatever you are, just suppose you are learning English, just you have to precise. Okay, or just once you choose that I want to become a fluencer. So just you have to whatever you are like, just doing habit like reading and like practicing, just like we are talking and on online. And one more thing, you have to do like a mirror activity. There is a lots of facility like a mobile. Talk in front of whatever you want to. If you are unable to make, just whatever you want to, just create this kind of environment in English communication. And just whenever you meet any person, if in person is just like able to speak communication, then speak at least is more kind of. Once you start this kind of thought in this kind of action, so definitely will be overcome situation. And one more thing, you have to patience. How many days you are just learning?
Actually, I joined tomorrow, sir. Actually, sorry, yesterday.
So don't think, just think, just you have to give around 2 to 3 months, maybe more 5 months. Even also I'm just learning. Even I don't know have more fluency, but I'm just learning because of I want to become a more fluencer. So no one can in the world fluencer. Just you have to give time, just around 2 months, 3 months, and just first of all I would like to say, just you can choose 3 to 4 points, just like a reading, at least one page you read, total just you have to comprehend whatever you read. Just you have to find out what I was just reading and what kind of structure in this written. And second thing, you have to practice in front of mirror. If you are not able to practice in front of mirror, just you create that you have mobile, you can speak whatever, just small like just I'm simple thought, just like a simple talk. Just you can share like a daily routine, whatever end of the before go bed, just open your mobile, just converse about your, just talk about whatever your day, whatever you did and past day, you can discuss and you can just converse whatever you are just if you are a colleague, so you can whatever your face like a negative and positive, same thought you just discuss in front of mobile. And just do this kind of activity in next maybe 20 days, maybe 30 days, maybe 40 days, and definitely will be overcome from bad situation. And you will able to create a good situation that which you want, just like a communication fluency. So if you do like that, so definitely you will be become. So just do that, and don't think just it will come within a short time, 1 month, 2 months. It's a long ways. So it will come around 4 to 5 months, 6 months, maybe 1 year, up to you how many hours you are giving each day. So if you are giving more, so definitely will be overcome. And just more thing, you have to take just whatever you are reading. Just first of all you have to comprehension whatever I'm reading, reading. Just if you do so, definitely will be and overcome.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. This is
and
the problem
just patient, just
because of the hesitation, I forgot many of the words what I have to speak. This type of
even also.
I forgot because of the hesitation or low of confidence.
So I would like to say, because of your just started
Yeah,
last today, last Saturday. So just
you
don't
said
think,
very
just think. You will face. I used to face this Saturday. I used to face till 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 1 year. Still I am facing.
yeah.
So it is not
I
that.
have got
Just
your tips now.
just to continue, just create more atmosphere, like communication, like which language
Yeah,
you want
sure.
to be fluent, which language you want to gain. So just create a one at your mind. If you are not able to create in your outside, just you create in your mind. Just if you are sitting in at home, just find any spoon, just like a mouse, just like laptop, just create. Suppose
Okay.
like a laptop, and in the laptop I can search a lot of things. I can find a lot of material in the whichever I want, like just like a communication, like
Try to speak on
motivation.
anything.
Just whatever you can want to, whichever you're proficient in your same scenario, definitely will be success. So just do, and you have to put a patience next 6 to 7 months. And once you create this kind, so automatically after you will be changed after 6 months, maybe 7 months, up to you how many hour you are giving in a day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Nidhi, you have any doubt? Nidhi?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, Suraj sir. You explained very well. And Ranjit sir, you have any idea? So
Thank you.
please
It's a
you also
pleasure.
can share with us. Okay, Ranjit sir, please you tell me about
Yeah,
something how to learn English language. And mostly people, mostly students,
Definitely.
they ask same question how
Yeah,
to
yeah.
do hesitation, this
Definitely,
type question.
definitely.
So please, you have any idea? So please you also
Definitely,
share
definitely.
that. Yeah, Ranjit sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Actually, I observe from starting that most of the guys they are also concerned to improve their English, how to improve our English. Suraj sir also explained very well, and he same question repeat person again and again. I
Yes.
would like to say something from my perspective. I hope this all this doubt are will be clear. You know, when we are going to tell about learning English, when we are going to tell about, first of all, we have to understand why I am wants to learn English. There are so many languages are there. So why I would learn English? This is the purpose. You have to choose the purpose. You have to choose the purpose. Why I would learn to English? Because we are all know that nowadays English plays a very important role. Whatever it may be in our personal life, in our professional life. So that's the one most reason that to improve our life. So you have if anybody who are wants to improve their life, so definitely they have to something different. They definitely they work hard. And regarding which, if I want to say to improve our English, there is a very simple way. We are all know it well, but it's difficult to follow this because we lost our consistency. We lost our patience. So this is the main things. So first of all, I would like to say that first of all you mention the reason that why I am we learn English,
Yes.
and you learn this way only. If you want to do any, I think any gadgeted level, any CBSC, SSC, this level going to interviews, their English is different. But if you wants to just want to speak English, then your I think your lesson is different, will be different. You know, so first of all, you have to patient, you have to consistency, and some guys are also says that how I am build up my confidence. Some the confidence is just it's coming only your efforts, only your patience. When you follow all these rules, what is the method? Method is very simple. LSRW: listening, listening, writing, reading, and speaking. Also, you have to you have to continue these habits. Automatically, your confidence level will be high. And one person has also said, how can they your body regarding body language? You know, when you have when you build up your confidence, your body language, your action automatically develop. Because everybody has his own accent, everybody has his own body language, and it's depend on other states. Is depend on how from what state you belong, from what countries you belong. But one thing is common: if you have the knowledge, if you have the solid confidence,